guys, welcome to my channel, The Flavor Studio by Chef Mark Kumar. So let's see what we're going to do it in the Flavor Studio. There we go. This is Soursap, so we call it Katwanoda. Let's go to do a Katwanoda curry. Yeah. So guys, for the Katwanoda curry, we need exactly Katwanoda. Then we need some sort of panda leaves, we need curry leaves, we need cinnamon, we need black peppercorns, we need fenugreek, and we need some little bit of hot chili and little bit of dry chili, and this all powder. This is roasted curry powder, this is unroasted curry powder, spice powder, okay. This is chili powder, and this is cumin, this is mustard seed, and finally we need turmeric. Okay. Then for the curry we need some fresh coconut milk, and for the mixing grinding we need the mortar like this. If you don't have like this, you need to find a grinder, then you can use it. The Soursap, and just the Soursap, we clean it off and we have taken out the skin. So now finally what we going to do, so we take a little bit of turmeric and we add top of this. So the whole idea is just to keep the color consistency, not to get discolored. Okay, so just we'll add some little bit of turmeric. We just mix it together. Okay. Next step, we'll take all the seeds, okay, and we'll put in the grinder. So we put mortar here, okay. So this is fenugreek, this is cumin, okay, a little bit of cumin. This is mustard seed. Peppercorn, black peppercorn, okay, you can easily find it now. And this is curry leaves, so we put everything together into the grinder, okay. And this is panda leaves, we just take it off. This is garlic, okay, sliced garlic or maybe chopped garlic. So we'll add some little bit of garlic. And this is sliced onion. You can use red onion, or maybe you can use bee onions, but chop or slice. Okay, so I use it here, sliced onions. Okay. And we use a little bit of cinnamon, okay. Then finally salt. So what you do is you take this water and you grind it, okay. can see, this is the final grinding mixture. So we have another step to go. So we take all those powders, okay, this is 5 spice powder, okay, and we will add it to this one. This is a spoon, and a little bit of chili powder. It's up to you. So I use here half of a teaspoon, okay, and this is roasted curry powder, okay, this is quarter teaspoon, okay. Finally I use one of these chilies, okay, this is hot chili, we call habanero chili, okay. You cut it off like this. Wow. There we go. We'll start grinding, okay, for a while. So finally, once you take out this all grinding paste, we add it to the pot which we have the Soursap. So we take using a spoon, okay. So you can see all the mixture is there. So finally I feel it like, so we need to add a little bit of more curry powder, okay, this is raw curry powder, so I will add another half a teaspoon, so that means altogether 1 spoon I already added, okay. So a little bit of chili powder, okay, so you start mixing again. So here start mixing again, and finally we add a little bit of turmeric again, okay. Start mixing. Then now this our Soursap curry almost getting to go to the fire. So finally we take some coconut milk, okay, you can see this fresh coconut milk, we'll add it to here. Half of a liter, okay, and finally half a teaspoon of salt. Salt anyway you can add it once you've done the final cooking part. So now let's go to the fire. You can see the curry looks delicious. So this is our Soursap curry, so ready for cooking. Let's go to the fire, baby. So we'll cook it like this, okay, just keep it open and let it be hot. So the curry is almost 75% is ready. So what we'll do is we'll take it off from the fire now. So we'll switch off the fire. There we go. So the curry, what you will take it off from the fire. So what you do, you take it to the next container. So we need to make another small temper for this, so that it's give a nice texture and a nice flavor for it. Okay, you can see already 75% is done. So I will show you all the final touch of this curry. Okay, so it's very nice. You can see the consistency. The Soursap is not mashed well. Okay, so you can see the consistency. So we are heading to final step for the Soursap curry. So we have to do a small temper on it. So what I use it, this is fresh ghee oil. Okay, so we add some little bit of ghee oil to the pan. Okay, let it be hot. the fire. So you can hear that the oil is getting hot. So I'm going to add a little bit of mustard seeds. Okay. Then a little bit of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon. Guys, you can see that the oil is getting pretty much hot. So at the same time, I'm going to add a little bit of pandan leaves and the curry leaves to the oil. So then I'm going to add sliced garlic and the sliced onion. So guys, you can see that the temper is already done, getting black color. So the final is, this is a dry chili. I'm just adding to the temper just to give you some flavors, a little bit of spiciness and all. Okay. So we are almost there. So now, finally we are going to add our beautiful Soursap curry into the tempered mixture. Onion, garlic and curry leaves tempered. Okay. So you can see that. Okay. So before we switch off the fire, so we will add half cup of thick coconut and we let it to be cooked. Soursap curry is done. Guys, look at the curry. So it's amazing. It's already done. So we just switch off the fire and we'll start serving. Okay. So you can see the texture, the color. You can see the smell. Okay. All the textures are there. So look at this. Healthy, sustainable Soursap curry. Very nice. So guys, look at this, my amazing Soursap curry. So we are going to serve it. Okay, so you can see the texture. Okay, there's nothing burnt. There's not too much gravy. Okay, you can see the consistency. It's really thick. You can see the color of dry chili. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. So guys, when you're doing at home, okay, so make sure you always keep the fire very low, not too much, because it might get burned and you will get a different flavor, the burnt flavor. Okay, so you can see I always keep controlling the fire. Okay, there we go. You can see the color, the katuano or the curry, the Soursap curry. Okay, so it's very healthy. called Katuanoda curry. So please try it at home and give us a comment. And if you need any clarifications, if you need anything, please give us a comment as well. So please stay with us and we'll come up with another sustainable cooking